Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Rush review. In this review, I'll be showing you what Rush is, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high quality custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you even better results with Rush. Rush launches on the 8th of December by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. So this is a cloud-based software that allows you to create traffic generating videos. You'll be able to create basically three types of videos. You'll be able to create quotes videos where you can just get quotes, put them on a background, and then you can actually create a video from that. And then you can also create GIFs, which are usually very short videos, and then you can also create viral video. All these are actually aimed at getting attention, which automatically allows you to drive high quality traffic from different platforms. Also, you have the traffic generator that basically allows you to generate traffic from different social media platforms. So this is the dashboard. I'm going to take you to the dashboard. We're going to see how this works in a short while. But first, I'm going to review my custom bonuses, and then I'm going to show you how you can actually profit from Rush. So the first bonus I'm giving away is another cloud-based software, and this allows you to generate high quality traffic in any niche from Instagram. This allows you to connect multiple Instagram accounts. You'll be growing this account while driving traffic using this account at the same time. You don't need to have any followers on your Instagram accounts in order to use them to drive traffic. First, you need to add your affiliate links or your website links in the bio of this Instagram account, and then you can connect multiple Instagram accounts. Then you'll be able to repost viral content from other Instagram users. You'll be able to copy trending hashtags, which is actually guaranteed to drive you some high quality traffic. And also, this app allows you to schedule your posts to go out in the future, either video or images or posts to your feed or even your stories. You only need a few minutes to set it up, after which you can actually relax and watch high quality traffic flow to your affiliate offers in the coming weeks or even months based on your schedule. Also, bonus number 2, you'll be getting access to another cloud-based app that allows you to build your own squeeze pages. When you are sending traffic, you want to send them to some high quality squeeze pages. Make people give you their emails before redirecting them to the offer you are promoting. So this cloud-based software gives you access to templates of squeeze pages that allow you to create your own squeeze pages in less than a minute. You also get access to lead magnet that you can use to give this away and actually make people give you their emails in exchange for what you are offering them. You also get access to video that shows you how I was able to go from zero to my first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. So that's my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, you'll be getting access to another premium training that shows you how to make money on Fiverr. The kind of videos you'll be creating with Rush, you'll be able to actually offer them as a service on marketplaces like Fiverr, and then you can charge upwards of $10, $20, $50 for one video, which you can create in less than 5 minutes right from the Rush dashboard. And that's my bonus number 3. Also, bonus number 4, you'll be getting access to another cloud-based app that allows you to create your own custom squeeze pages, and this also allows you to set up your own thank you pages so that you can actually offer a lead magnet, offer a giveaway in the front end, and once people jump in, they will also find your recommendation, which is going to be your affiliate link, and then you can use these to promote affiliate offers and make money with affiliate marketing with 100% free traffic. You also get access to 3 different traffic sources to fetch high quality traffic to your affiliate offers. And also bonus number 5, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. So what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the blue buttons on this bonus page. And when you click on any of these blue buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Rush. This is where you'll be able to pick up Rush, and also here you'll be getting full information about the Rush cloud-based software. And here it says brand new for December 8, 2020, the world's fastest autopilot YouTube app drives free viral traffic for you in 43 seconds. Newbie friendly, no recording videos, and also 0 ranking needed. So feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time. You also find proof of results on this sales page. So feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about Rush. Now I'm going to take you to the dashboard so I can show you how this works, how quick you can start creating these videos using this cloud-based software. So you get access to a dashboard that actually shows you the total number of videos you've made and statistics like that. So let's just create a quote video to see how this works. And now this works with slides. You have access to slides. You can also click on add new slide to add another slide. You get access to backgrounds, and you can select the duration of your slide. Let's just change this to 7 seconds, and then let's go to slide quotes. You can search for quotes based on keyword. Let's say success. Let's click on search, and then it's going to find quotes based on our keyword. We can select whichever one we want. Let's also go to text and position. We can select the position of the text on the slide. So let's just select center. Also, you can select the font style for our text, and then you can also change the text background. You can add a text background. You can also change text opacity. You can also increase the font size. So you can basically customize your video exactly the way you want. If you also click on next, here you'll be able to add your own logo on top of your slide. You'll be able to add your own watermark, or you can actually upload your own content here. So this is exactly how you can easily create videos with Rush. And there are different types of videos you can actually create. If we go back to dashboard, you also see that you can create GIF videos, and then you can also search based on keyword, number of slides, and so on. And more interesting is the fact that you have access to the traffic generator. So you'll be able to share these videos, and once you have a URL, let's say you have a video URL here, you've uploaded your video on YouTube or any social media platform, you have your URL here. You can actually click on next, and then you'll be able to share this content across different social media platforms. So that's how easy it is to actually create and share using Rush. I'm going to take you to my bonus page now to show you the pricing and also the optional upgrades that come with Rush. The front end, including all the features here that I've shown you in the dashboard, goes for a one-time fee of $17. And then to the optional upgrades, the front end actually gives you access to all these features. You get access to choose video clips from 10,000 video library, you get to choose images from a 20,000 image library and access to all these features. That's in the front end. The first optional upgrade is the Rush Professional, and this goes for $39, and this also gives you access to even a more vast collection of resources to choose from. The second optional upgrade is the Rush Business, that goes for $39, and this gives you access to some done for you video sales agency websites. You get access to 5-year web hosting. You get access to custom PayPal checkout integration. So this is basically a business package, and this goes for $39. The third optional upgrade is the Rush Done For You traffic, and this allows you to leverage the audiences of the vendor by placing your pixel on the highly trafficked web pages, and this goes for $197. The fourth optional upgrade is the Traffic by CVid, and this goes for $49. This gives you access to all these features right here. And then the final upgrade is the Rush Profits, and this goes for $67, and also this gives you access to all these features right here. So that's going to be my review of Rush. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and bye for now.